Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, December 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar, if this really is like an ABC right here, which it definitely looks like it probably is, then the most likely place for this to go is actually the 100% Fibonacci extension of the wave A projected out the top of the wave B, which is all the way down to about the 0.061 to 0.065 area. So anyways, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we are definitely out of an area that definitely could end up being an area of support. It's been support in the past, so it could possibly be support in the future. Heading down to the daily, the trend is definitely down on the daily, and for me personally, even if it does start to move to the upside, unless it goes way up here and breaks this high right here, the trend is down, and I would definitely still be looking for sorts at the end of three-way pullbacks. So taking it down to that 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, this thing is just continuing to make lower lows, lower highs. Anyone that has been just focusing on trading with the trend over the last several weeks has probably had some amazingly good trades. And I would definitely continue to do so if it was me. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, I'm not really exactly sure what's going to happen on the 1 hour. I do see that there is definitely 5 ways down right here, so we might end up getting a push up, a little bit of a counter trend move, especially because we're at a weekly time frame support level. For me personally, even if it does go up, I will not be going long, but instead I will be focusing on doing nothing by going short at the end of every single one of these pullbacks. I look to go short here, I look to go short here, I would look to go short back here. I definitely wouldn't even think about going long at any point on these sort of time frames. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.